Hello everybody, welcome back to Divine Designs 24. We're going to do two little characters here. This one here is a bunny. I have to get something done for Easter. And this one here is a gnome that is holding a flower. So what I want to do first, because I'll have to do this in layers, so I'm going to show you how I do it in layers because I don't have any deep resin. I don't want to fill this up with regular resin because it is too deep and it'll get too hot. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to do it in layers. So I'll show you the process of what I do in layers. I have to get me some more deep resin. I'm out. Let me make sure I got everything out of my stuff here. And so, but I want to put some mica powders inside of these first. And so first with the bunny, I want to use a little bit of pink down here in his ears. Not much, just enough to show off his little ears. So I'm going to color up his ears here. We've got to make the bunny look pretty. Okay. And I think I'm going to give him a little, just a dab of a pink tail. I'm just going to put a little bit, not a lot. Just a little, give him a little pink tail. Okay. And I forgot to grab my black mica powder. I'll get that in a minute. And then because I'm going to put, I don't know, maybe I'll do the eyes on the bunny pink too. I think I'm going to do his eyes a pink color. So we'll color in the eyes here. Because they're just going to be just a light pink. They're not going to be anything really dark. Just want to color them up a little bit. And maybe we'll do the nose too. We got to decorate this Easter bunny up just a little bit here. Okay, that's really all I'm going to do with the bunny. Because then I'm going to put some, mix some, probably do two different colors. I think I'm going to do a little bit of white and a little bit of gray. Or maybe I'll just do them all white. Haven't decided yet. Okay, so let's see. We want this color on the inside of the flower. See, if I turn him out here, you'll see there's a flower right there. So I'm just going to do inside of the flower. If I can, oops, if I can get it to stay up. There we go. So I'm going to put a little bit of gold on the inside of the flower here. There we go. Some of it I'll have to paint afterwards, and then I'll have to cover it up with some UV resin because I can't get into all the little spots. Okay, so that's the center. Then we'll do the petals. And we'll do the petals in yellow. So we'll turn him back out here again. And wherever I got the colors I don't want them, I will wipe it off with a Q-tip with some alcohol on it. But here we'll just cover it and do some petals on here. I wanted to do his arms and his nose, but I'm going to have to figure out if I can either mix some colors together to make like a beige color or not. I have never done that before. Trying to mix a couple powders together, make a skin tone, so we'll see. I'll get it figured out. And you'll learn right along with me whether it works or not. It's one nice thing about doing these videos like this is because we get to learn together. But this one's going to take me a little bit longer to do because, well, won't be longer for you, but it's going to take me a little bit longer to do. Because I'm going to have to do this in layers until I get some deep pour resin. I don't have any deep pour resin right this moment. And I don't want to use regular resin because that's not a good idea. Okay. So let's see here. I'm going to flip this back out. There, get the excess off. Wow, that flower turned out pretty. So I will go through and just kind of wipe out the inside. Trying to see here. Because there's his arms. You can see the flower. There's his arms right there, and there's his nose. So I'm going to see what I can do with that. I might have to do that on another. We'll see. We'll see what we can do. But anyways, we got those done. So now I'm going to mix up some resin and we'll get the first pour in there. I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back. I got my resin made up. I found this silver white. I think that would go good with both of them. So I'm going to put, let me see, get my little spoon out here. We're going to put some of that in here. And what I did off screen, because I wasn't sure really what I was doing, I really wanted to get some color on his arms, and I wasn't sure what to use. This is what I found. I got this at the dollar store. And so I used some of this first. Get this open. You can see a little better. I used some of that first, and I used a little bit of the brown in there, so it kind of made it more of a tan color. And it seems to have worked pretty well. And so I got his arms. And I think those are his feet there. And then it looked like these are butterflies. Maybe it's a she. It's a she holding a flower. So it looked like a butterfly on the back. So I'm assuming that might be what it is. So I put some pink in there for a butterfly. But anyways, so that's what I did off screen. I've used makeup before. It works really good for mica powder. But I was trying to mix it so that it would be a little bit of both colors. If you know what I'm talking about. I'm hoping you know what I'm talking about, because sometimes I wonder about myself. Oh my goodness. But anyway, so we're going to learn this together. These are two new molds. I have not used these molds before, so I have no idea really what's in them. I'm guessing on the ears and the eyes, and I know that's the tail. Those look like the ears. Those look like the eyes. There's the nose. So, but this one here, I'm not quite sure. I got both of these from Temu. I didn't put the prices on them, so I don't know how much I paid for them. I can guarantee you it wasn't much. But I only did 80 mLs of resin. So, but I'm going to leave it that color right there. So I'm just going to kind of pour some in here in the bunny, because I don't want to make it real thick. And then I'm going to pour some on him. I'm going to go slow because I don't want to make a bunch of bubbles, because they have a lot of crevices in there. So I think I'm going to have a lot of resin left over. So I'm going to kind of move them around a little bit here so I don't get bubbles caught in there. Just kind of squeeze him. And then I'll let this set up a little while until it's not goopy anymore. I'll probably wait. I might probably wait till morning now. It's like, I don't know, 8:30 at night. So I'll probably wait till morning and just stick another layer on there. I just don't want to wait too long, because if you wait too long, then you'll see where the layers are. So I'll just probably wait a little bit. Before I go to bed, we'll stick another layer on. And then we'll be able to demold. But I can use the rest of that as some extras. I'll make something up and we'll see what we can do with the extras. Okay, we'll see that after demold. I'll show you the extras. But this is all I'm going to do right now, is let those set, because I don't want to make them any deeper. And we will, I'll see you when this is all set. Well, hello everybody. We are back for demold time. So this is the little bunny. This is the little gnome. So let's see what we have here. We'll do the bunny first. So we'll see what we got here. All right. Let's see if we can get him out of here without ripping off his ears. Oh my gosh, is he cute. Look at that. She is so cute, whatever you want to call her. She is so cute. I got just a little bit of cleanup to do right around the edges here. But other than that, she's adorable. Look at her. Isn't she just so cute? Little pink nose, pink ears. Okay, so now we'll leave her sit. We are going to do him. I did top these off late last night and off the video. So I'm just going to hope that everything, I don't have a bunch of bubbles or anything in here, because this had a lot of little crevices in it. So we will see. Let's see, I got a little bit cleanup to do on him too. Or her. I think it's her. Hey, I was right. Look at that. It's either butterfly or bow. I think it might be just a bow on her butt. Oh my gosh. That turned out perfect with using that on the arms and the feet. Oh, it looks like there might have been just a little bubble there by the butterfly, but I can fix that. Look at that. Isn't that cute? That was perfect. And what I did to the arms and the feet and the nose. And I did those all in pink, and I'm so glad I did. I got to looking at that, and I thought, I just wonder. I mean, there's a little bit of extra powder on there, but that's okay. I can fix all that up. But this is the cutest little gnome. And I got this at Temu. I was shocked because this is like a homemade mold. It's really soft and squishy. Both of these are like that. And I know I didn't pay no more than a couple dollars for each one of these, because I'm cheap that way. I don't spend a lot of money. There is things I will spend good money on. But when it comes to molds like this from Temu, I don't spend a lot. But this is so cute. Okay, well that is it. I'm going to take pictures of these after I get them all done. And I'll trim them all up, take pictures of them, and they will be after the video. I gotta fix that little air bubble there. I gotta just scrape that off. I don't think there's much I have to do, but I'm gonna fix this all up. But that is so cute. I'm very pleased with these, and I will show you pictures at the end. Thanks for coming. Give me a thumbs up. Comment on what you think about the little gnome and the little Easter bunny. And subscribe to the channel because that is going to help me out tremendously. All right, everybody. See you next time.